It's pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very, very simple layout, and here you'll be able to enter the prompt that you want to generate your video. And as well, not just video generation, we do have AI image generation as well. So the video generation, you'll be able to select the model that you want to use. As you can see here, based on the model that you have selected, you will require how much credits or points you will need to generate that video, as you can see here. So I'm going to need 8,000 coins to use this model here. You have the SAR 2 option, you have the Clean 2.6, which is very new, and you have the other popular AI models as well, which you can use. As you can see here, pretty much tells you how much credits or points you're going to need to generate these images or videos. So do keep in mind when using these models. So once you have pretty much selected the model, you pretty much can enter your prompt here and start generating your video. As well, if you do want to add images as a reference, you can tap on the plus icon here or the photo icon. You can pretty much upload or take a picture for your reference. And as well, you can select the aspect ratio option and select whichever aspect ratio you want to use. So that's really pretty much it for the video generation. For the AI image generation, you'll pretty much be able to tap on this option at the top here. Then you can tap on this here where you can go ahead and select whichever model you want to use. And these are only 3 models available right now. As you can see here, they do tell you how much credit you will need to generate each video. So do keep that in mind as well. And let's say you're going to use a Nana banner, for example. Pretty much select that model. And as well, again, pretty much add your photo as reference. And here, pretty much enter your prompt or what you want to create. Very, very easy to use. And if you have generated anything on the application, you can tap on the phone icon here. It will pretty much show if you have generated a video, if you have generated an image, will show in this section here. So this word icon here pretty much have some templates which you can either copy. As you can see here, you have the image section and you have the video section. These are very few, not much. You can copy these. Let's say you want to make a animation trailer, select this here, or any one of these templates that you see you want to make something similar. All you have to do is tap on the video and be able to see the prompt that they have used to create that video. And as well, you can create something very similar or the exact same thing. And you can tweak it to your liking to get different results. So that's really pretty much it for that. So to get the credits or the points, you can tap on this option at the top here. As you can see here, currently I have 0 credits. I will need to upgrade to the Pro subscription to be able to even use this application here. So once you have upgraded, I'm sure you pretty much will get credits. And as well, you can see your prices for your subscription. So their weekly subscription and their yearly subscription. So you might want to press on the back button to go back in the home screen because no X not going to show up at the top there. So that's really pretty much it for this AI application here. And you can go in the settings option here to as well get 1,000 credits if someone uses your referral code. So you can pretty much share it with your friends and families, and you and them get pretty much 1,000 credits for completely free. So that's pretty much 3 referrals, only 3 referrals that will be able to get 1,000 credits for completely free. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you out.